Welcome to our channel. If you want to transfer your photos from iCloud to Google Photos to have a backup or switch cloud services, follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth transfer process. Step 1. Open a web browser on your computer and visit takeout.google.com. This is Google's data export service that allows you to transfer photos between cloud services. Step 2. Log in with your Google account where you want to transfer your iCloud photos. Make sure this is the same account connected to your Google Photos app. Step 3. Instead of using Google Takeout, visit Apple's data transfer page at privacy.apple.com while logged into your Apple ID. Select Transfer a copy of your data. Step 4. Choose Transfer a copy to Google Photos from the available options. Apple has partnered with Google to make photo transfers seamless between their services. Step 5. Sign in to your Google account when prompted and authorize Apple to transfer your photos. Review the permissions and confirm you want to proceed with the transfer. Step 6. Select which photos and videos you want to transfer. You can choose to transfer all photos or only specific albums from your iCloud photo library. Step 7. Confirm the transfer and wait for Apple to process your request. The transfer process can take several hours to several days, depending on how many photos you're moving. Step 8. Check your Google Photos app to verify that all transferred photos have arrived successfully. Open the app on your phone or visit photos.google.com to browse your newly transferred photos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.